Welcome back. In Lesson 1 Part 2 we're going to look at painting the world. When you start a new Kodu level it will look pretty similar to this. The options you've got when you select the Painting the World tool or the World Paint tool are to use the left mouse button to draw your world. You can use the right mouse button to remove world. You can change the brush size so that you can draw world quickly. And then the tools above the painter tool allow you to change the type of world which you are drawing. So for example, if I select this and go drawing around the world, it will change it. If I hold down Control and left mouse button, you'll notice if I try drawing over the green stuff, it's not drawing. If I try and draw on the side there though, it will add that world. Similarly, if I hold down the Shift key and left mouse button, it will add world over the existing stuff, but not change anything else. Have a play with this tool and see what you can do. Also, you'll see that it's different brush sizes that you can select. You can have a circular brush, you can have a square brush, and you can use these type of brushes which allow you to draw long straight lines. Again, have a play.